Okay, this is the start of your review for Unit 8. This is the first page. Uh, First problem, if sales tax on a $60 purchase is $3.90, what would it be on a $280 purchase? So this is direct variation. Direct variation means we use the equation y is equal to mx, or you can use whatever variable you want for the constant, but we'll start with mx. In this case, you've got 3.90 is equal to m times 60. All right, and that tells me that 3.9 divided by 60 equals 0.065. All right, so we've got our constant, and with our constant, we set up our equation. Y is equal to 0.065x. Now we have a $285 purchase. So we take 0.065, we multiply it times 280. And if we do that, we get 18.2, or $18.20 is our solution for that one. Okay, so the next one. The acceleration of an object varies directly. Okay, acceleration varies directly as its force. Acceleration is mass or your constant m times force. So if a force of 240 newtons causes an acceleration of 150 newtons, we need to find m. So m in this case is equal to 150 divided by 240, which is equal to 0.625. So we have A is equal to 0.625 times F. And now we want to know what force will cause an acceleration of 100 meters per second squared. So I do 100 divided by 0.625, and that equals a force of 160 newtons. Okay, now we get another one. A public poll found that a sample of 450 voters, 252 favored a school bond measure. So 252 is equal to m times 450. Alright, so that means m is equal to 252 divided by 450. We get m is equal to 0.56. So we've got those that favored, which we'll do with y, and those that voted is x. So y is equal to 0.56x, so y is equal to 0.56 times 20,000. So I do 0.56 times 20,000, and we get 12,000. So we expect 12,000 people. Okay. Moving on from direct variation, now we've got inverse. Z is inversely proportional to R. That means division, so Z is equal to KR. So I've got Z is equal to 32 when R is equal to 1.5. And so that's 32 times 1.5, and that is equal, makes K equal to 48. So our equation is Z is equal to 48 over R, and now find R when Z is equal to 8. 8 is equal to 48 times R. So this is the same thing as R is equal to 48 over 8, or in this case R is equal to 6. Okay, for 5, if W is jointly proportional to U and V, W is equal to K, U, V, and W equals 24 when U equals 0.8 and V equals 5. Alright, so we can solve that by simplifying. 24 is equal to 4 times K, because 0.8 times 5 is 4, and 24 divided by 4 is 6. So K is equal to 6. So our equation is W is equal to 6 UV. So W is 18. I want to find U when V is 2. So I have 18 is equal to 12u, or 3/2 is equal to u, or if you prefer to write it as 1.5. Either of those are equivalent. Okay, so that's it for page 1. I'll do page 2 in the next video.